This is our follow-up tutorial to accessing and navigating library databases. One of the keys to a student's success in the research process is the organizing of the research, the articles, the information that you're gathering, just organizing that in a systematic way that's easy for you to retrieve later. And so one of the reasons I like the EBSCO products, and the one that we chose to use for our demonstration today is the Academic Search Complete. But one of the reasons I really like the EBSCO products is that they allow you to create a sub-account within their database so that you can store your articles until you're ready to maybe do a more thorough review of them later. Now, you don't have to actually be on the article itself to sign into the sub-account or create the sub-account. You can do that immediately when you click on your database and it takes you to their landing page. You can create your account here or go ahead and sign in. I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account. Because you probably don't have an account on this page, you simply want to click on Create One Now. So I'm going to log into mine. I suggest that you use your Atlas credentials. That way it makes it a lot easier to remember. And then sign in. Okay, so wherever you left off and created this account is where it takes you back to. So we're back at our original article that we had previewed in the previous tutorial. I would like to save this to a folder, and I just simply click on Add to Folder. And you'll know it's in the folder when you see that little paper-like icon there, and it also gives you the text removed from folder, so you know your item is actually in the folder. So let's suppose we've done all of our research and I went ahead and previously saved some articles to the folders. So click on the folders. This is when we have the opportunity to actually organize our articles. Articles can be classified or categorized based on the type that you've saved. However, I custom created my folders. This list is just something that the database creates for you, but again, I custom created my list. So I've created 3 different folders just from past instruction where I was doing some research and downloaded some articles that I wanted to refer back to later. So in my folders where there's a plus sign, if I click on that plus sign, it expands it, but it tells me that I have 31 articles already saved here. In my pandemic folder, I already have 2 articles. However, in my Psychology of Online Dating, I don't have any folders yet. Articles that I've saved yet. Now, I created this pre our video tutorial, but if you are going to create a new folder, you simply click here and you name your folder. So this defaults to the screen where my folder articles are. So I have 8 articles on this page, and some are relating to the folder categories that I've already created. So we need to store or move our articles to my Psychology of Online Dating. So when I click on go through this list of articles, let's pull mine. So there's our article, Sweetening the Deal, Dating for Compensation in the Digital Age. So when I click that one, here's another one that I saved about online dating. And here is my last article that I clicked on regarding online dating. So what I want to do is move all of these articles to the proper folder. I simply click on Move To, select my folder, Psychology of Online Dating, and when I go back to the left side of my screen, and I just click on that and then open it back up. There are my 3 articles for online dating. And again, when I click on the PDF full text, I still can go in and look at my citation and treat the article just like I did in the initial search. That is how you create a sub account within the EBSCO database.